Hello, hello guys! Ito, gumagawang lolo ng pandesal. Ayan guys, oh. Pandesal. Ang ingredients niya, 1 cup milk warm, 2 spoon of yeast, and 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and half tablespoon of salt. So this is guys, I'm making, and 2 spoon of unsalted butter and oil. So the texture guys is very nice, you see. Ooh. So this is our third time I making, but before I am not satisfied. So let's see today. This is my do re mi fa sol la ti do. So this is my pandesal. Update ko kayo mamaya guys kung ito ay okay na, kasi papaanuhin pa natin ito. Pandesal kayo dyan. So update ko kayo mamaya guys.